So the last thing that I want to highlight here is we've gone through a number of things, but as you're going to get in the system and start doing some exploration, you're probably wondering about what is the pricing structure? How does it look like? What are the details there? So I'm going to pull up my user profile where you can see all the details about it. On the invoicing tab, we make it very easy for you to see all of the details about your invoice. Past invoices, current invoices, any payment details that are on file. Every user gets $10 in free credit when they sign up. Now here, this is my personal bill. I'm up to about $192 in usage for this month. But I want to highlight that almost all of my charge comes from tasks charge. And if you look at the quantity, the number of seconds, CPU seconds that I've used is about 75 days worth of CPU seconds. So I've used over 2 months worth of CPU time for only $187. Now, of course, I haven't been running things for 2 months. With the massive parallelization that we have in TileDB Cloud, it's very easy for me to scale up and scale out computations as much as I'd like. And for the sake of things here, I use a lot. But it's very easy for you to limit your concurrency and do all of that. But everything is updated in near real time here. So not only can you view the charges on a particular task, you can easily monitor your invoice live. Unlike other cloud vendors that make it very obtuse to see what your bill is and see the breakdown, we want to make it very easy for you to A, see the high level details, and B, break down any particular task graph or UDF or query that you've run to see those particular times in the system. So it's very easy to go through that. Of course, in the user profile, we have all the other functionality to expect: API tokens for programmatic access, profile where you can set your details, emails, and whatnot, time zone. And of course, we have TileDB Cloud credentials. So TileDB lets you have your credentials for the different vendors, whether it's AWS, Azure, directly in the system. These are some demo ones that I put in the system for this purpose. So you can actually see this. You can add a credential very easily, add your AWS, add a friendly name. And of course, this is how we facilitate all the underlying access into the system.